This is a JBC Sports 10X air rifle. JBC has this swing type, so you can put your pellets here, and a hammer type. Also, this JBC air gun is a folding air gun. You can fold this like this, so it will be compact. You can put it on your backpack. Also, it has a silencer, so it will not have that loud noise when shooting targets or anything. So put it back again like this. The JBC Sport 10X CO2 air gun. This is built in Bustos, Bulacan. Thank you.